Hey, what's going on? This is Gliding on Twos, and for today's episode, we are going to be going over the Ulanzi quick release mount that I just ordered from Amazon. Stay tuned. Alrighty, as you can tell, I've already opened the big package from Amazon, and here's what was inside. This is the Ulanzi quick release mount for GoPros, Insta360, any action camera that attaches with a two prong, just like a GoPro. Let me open it up so I can show you. All right, so first off, it comes with a base, which is this base right here. On one side, it has the screw in, so you can screw this into, let's say, a selfie stick, a Rick Rack system that has the screw for you to screw into. I forget what size. I think it's 3/16, but don't quote me on that. All right. On the opposite side is where you can actually input the other piece, like I'm gonna get ready to show you, into, and it's magnetized as well. Here's the other piece. As you can see, it mounts just as a GoPro does with the two prongs. All right, comes with the screw, and this, it has two bases. Of course, I showed you one with the screw in, and this part right here is also a second base, and I'm going to show you. So you have to twist and then pull out. This is the second base. When you flip, it has the two prongs, and let me try to get this so you can actually see. All right, two prongs, just like GoPro does. Okay. And the main piece here, I'm gonna flip it upside down. You'll see it comes with a magnet on the bottom. Okay, that, and then your screw-in piece to screw in your camera. Now the way this works, let's just say on this piece with the screw-in, you've already got this piece attached to your motorcycle, either on a selfie stick or anything with the screw-in portion. Okay. Now all you have to do is, this part is in. Take your camera. See how fast that went on? It's magnetized. Now it's on there, but it's not solid. Okay, you have to twist it. You twist and lock. And now, as you can see, it is not going anywhere. It ain't coming out. Let me show you. I've already have another one that's already attached to a GoPro. Now this is my Hero 3 Plus that I still use. Still a solid piece of equipment, even in today's time. Now, as you can see, I've already added the base with the magnet. Now all you have to do is attach, and look, without even screwing, you can see that it's rock solid. Okay, rock solid. But you still have to screw in. You screw it in, and now I'm pulling as hard as I can. It's not coming off. All right, it's magnetized plus screw tight lock. And that is the Ulanzi quick release mount for GoPros. This is 360, like I said before. Now, what I'm going to do is show you how they mount to your motorcycle in different viewpoints and angles. As I stated earlier, all right, I have a Rick Rack system here mounted onto the windshield trim. Okay, I've already attached the base for the Ulanzi quick release, and the second part is already attached to the GoPro, and it goes in just like so. All right, magnetized, and then you rotate. And now, as I'm shaking it, it ain't coming off. It's done. It's attached. You can record, do what you have to do, and if you want a different angle, go ahead, rotate it off, and dismount from that quick release. Now, if you have other ones, as I do, okay, I have a suction cup mount. I've already attached the base. Now, all you have to do is, okay, just like so, and rotate, and now you have a reverse angle on your bike. It's a quick release, quick install. You ain't got to mess around with the screw here at all to disassemble and then reassemble somewhere else. Just rotate, take off. All right, that was a quick unpackaging and review of the Ulanzi quick release mount. Um, as you can see, you can mount it in plenty of different positions on your motorcycle. If you're interested in this content, I'm gonna go ahead and in the description below, I'll put a link to where I purchased it from, and I can't take full credit because the only reason I thought about this was I seen it on a video from Fly and Ride 15. Go check him out and go check out his videos as well. If you like this content and you want to see more of it, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you're immediately notified uh, when I post and publish future videos. And as always, enjoy your ride.